Hi, if you are looking for an efficient washing machine, then I have this 5-star rated LG top load washing machine with smart inverter technology. It works on smart inverter, which is an energy saving technology that eliminates unnecessary operations by efficiently controlling energy use. Smart motion combined with turbo drum and precise smart inverter control just upgrades the wash and provides a better performance. During power cuts, auto restart allows the program to restart all by itself. And if the power cord is plugged in, it does not consume power on standby mode. In case of any error, you can use the LG app or make a phone call to the LG service center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits, which means more convenience. So go for this super cool LG top load smart inverter washing machine and let your hands remain beautiful as always. Hi, are you looking for a hassle-free washing experience? Then what are you waiting for? Get the new LG front load washing machine with direct drive. Its direct drive motor makes this washing machine super reliable and really quiet with less vibration. Also, its 6-motion technology moves the wash drum in multiple directions and gives proper care to the fabrics while getting clothes ultra clean. With a new full touch control, it looks ultra sleek and sophisticated, while the carefully designed panel provides maximum visibility. It not only washes the clothes well, but also cleans away up to 99.9% of allergens from the clothes, meaning more hygiene. And with the Smart Diagnosis app, your life becomes much easier because it diagnoses many problems that may occur in your machine and resolves them with just a few clicks. All in all, LG front load washing machines gives you zero stress and full comfort. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Hi. Can you think of a washing machine that is not only efficient but smart too? Let me tell you everything about the LG top load washing machine with smart inverter technology. It works on smart inverter, which is an energy saving technology that eliminates unnecessary operations by efficiently controlling energy use. Also, 3 smart motion combined with turbo drum and precise smart inverter control upgrades the wash and provides a better performance. During power cuts, auto restart allows the program to restart all by itself. And if the power cord is plugged in, it does not consume power on standby mode. And what's even more awesome? In case of any error, you can use the LG app or make a phone call to the LG service center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits, which means more convenience. So be smart and bring home the LG top load smart inverter washing machine and make your life easy and comfortable.
Get the cleanest wash with IFB's fully automatic front-load washing machines. Available in a range of colors and capacities with a 5-star energy efficiency rating, perfect for Indian families. These machines come with a wide range of wash programs that cater to all your washing needs. IFB front loads as the machine comes with an active color protection feature to keep your clothes vibrant with every wash. This machine features an inbuilt heater with temperature settings of up to 20 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius, which allows you to wash your clothing in hot water for a safe and hygienic wash. The 2H power steam feature helps to reduce wrinkles and removes allergens from clothes. Get soft, clean clothes after every wash as these machines are equipped with an Aqua Energy feature that helps in better detergent dissolving and prevents the fading of your clothes. With an innovatively built crescent moon drum design, this machine creates a gentle water cushion for your fabrics. Give your silk, lace, stains and chiffon fabrics the delicate yet effective wash that they deserve with our cradle wash function. This machine also comes with a revolutionary 3D wash system that completely soaks clothes and dissolves detergents with its water jets and showers from paddles. You no longer need to wait for long hours to get your laundry done because our time saver feature reduces the wash time by 45%. Smart sensing mechanism to help detect and correct any imbalance during the spin. Our machines are built to last, which is why we provide a 4-year super warranty along with 10-year warranty on spare parts and 10 years on motor warranty. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit cards and net banking. We provide you with a 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective products.